Hello, this is Shurat. It has been a while since my last video. Unfortunately, my laptop broke and it took a long time to get another one. So before we continue, please like my video, comment below, share it, and subscribe. In addition, don't forget to read the description below for more information about the video and how to support me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the sample programs for the mBot Mega using Arduino. If you prefer for me to show you using mBlock 5, please comment below. If you also please comment below which interface do you like the most to program the robot. First step, let's go to makebot.com, which I already have it here, to look up the instructions. It is helpful to look up the actual manufacturer's website for any updates and helpful information. So let's first go to support. Here we're going to find the mBot Mega. Click here. And then here's the information we're going to be needed. In our case, as you can see, it tells mention here everything that we need to know about the mBot Mega and how to install it and all the good stuff. But in our case, we're just going to look at program mBot Mega in Arduino. Click here. And there's the instructions how to do that. And always verify the date here. At the time of this video, the updated information is June 2nd, 2021. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. First thing is pretty much downloading the Arduino IDE. Okay, so they even give us the website here. So I'm gonna, just to keep it safe, because I don't know if that link is to the latest one, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the website of the Arduino. Just do a search, and here's the home page. Click here, and up here it says software. Okay, so actually this is the see 1.8.13. the latest one is 1.8.18. okay, now do be aware I am gonna go ahead and timestamp the video, so please check the description. So you'll need to, if you want to skip some steps or skip the video, you can go ahead and do that through the timestamp. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing is downloading this thing, and we're gonna do here Windows. In my case, not today. Just download it. Okay, thank you for our support. Okay, let me just click here. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. Okay, I'm gonna go click here, show in folder, and I'm gonna go ahead and right click and run as administrator. Just be aware I am using Windows 11 for this example, so I don't know if there's I don't know if there's gonna be there might be some differences if you're using any previous Windows or any more layers Windows 11. Okay, click. Let's go ahead and continue on. Just click run as administrator. Yes, on this thing. I agree. Keep as default. Let me go minimize this. We don't need this. And install. And we'll just wait now. Okay, the installation finished. It did took a while. I would say like around probably 10 minutes maybe a little bit less, between 5 and 10. Okay, let's go and close this. And alright, now the fourth step is to download the library file that has the samples of the mBot Mega, sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and click library file right here. Now they give me us two options here. Either you can, this file be aware comes as with a RAR extension. So if you have an RAR extractor, you can just go ahead and click here, download. It will download as a RAR file extension file, and you can open it with your extractor. However, many Windows come with a zip extractor, so we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one so I can show you guys. We're gonna click here. And then we're gonna do extract. And just wait. Okay, finish. Now we're gonna go ahead and click view files. Now we're gonna go ahead and close that. Right click here. Download. And as you guys can see, now it's being zipped. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and click right here on the side, show folder. And we are looking at this part right here. Double click that. Now mine is going to show a little bit different than you guys, because I'm using a different extractor for this instead of my default extractor from Windows. Mine actually also extracts the RAR extension files. Anyway, but either way, they all work the same way. You will select the file, the folder, click extract. In my case, it's located right here. Then I just have to be sure that if they give me options, you will extract with in a new folder. Okay. Okay. And also the new folder located in the also on the download folder. All right. I will close this. And it's right here now, this folder. I'm gonna open this file, this file, this file. There it goes, the Makeblock. And now it says Makeblock libraries master. This is what we need right here. Okay. Now, and if you see the instructions here, it tells us to, on the Arduino folder, go to libraries, and that's where you're gonna put the Makeblock folder, which has the sample, the src, libraries.properties, and readme.md. So we're gonna locate this folder first. Let me mask that. I'm gonna put here on the side for now. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see animar C file here. Again, just be aware I'm using Windows 11. Yours might be a little bit different. I'll right click, by the way. I'll right click it and then open a new window. That will give me this one. And right here, I'm gonna go, I'm on my C drive, okay? And I'm looking for Mac program files 86, Arduino, libraries, and is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so just be aware that I already did it. So what I did, I went ahead and I'm going up by the way. Taking a while. There it goes. I went ahead and just renamed this to just Makeblock. center, and I just went ahead and just moved it. Okay, and I'll let go. Let's see if I move it right here, and I just let go. That's what I did. Yeah, I'm gonna let me decide this. Let me see if I can cancel this. Skip this file. Yeah. Yeah, because unfortunately, I already did it there. Alright, so yeah, I just noticed some capital M. There it goes. Oh, and you will need to provide me instruction. Okay, continue. I just rename it. It was a lowercase m. I put a capital M just to make it look more professional. But anyway, so yes, I went ahead and just moved it here. Okay, so we close that. So if you go to the Arduino here, let me open Arduino. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so let me maximize this. Okay, so if you go to File, Example, and here it goes. There are the examples right here. Oops, right here. All the examples, okay? Now, it doesn't have the crack walk. Well, I have it because I was practicing and I got installed. So for yours, it will not. This will not be there, the crack walk. But let me show you how to have it there. So let me close this. Close this. Okay, now that we have the sample programs installed, we're gonna go ahead and install now and you need to scroll all the way down here. Oops, too much. The crab walk program. So this sample, we're gonna just click here, and just like we did before with the other samples, we're gonna go ahead and do the zip extractor. And of course, for those who have the RAR extractor, you can click right here. So we're gonna click here, we'll wait, extract. Now because this file's not that big, it takes a little bit longer. We're gonna click View Files, right click here, we're gonna go to Download, and we just have to wait for this to finish. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and click over here, Show in Folder, and here I'm just gonna double click it. It's gonna pop up the extractor. Yours might look a little bit different because I'm using a different type of extractor. But either way, select the file or folder, click extract, and be sure your output is the download folder. Be sure you select new folder if there's an option there. Click OK. We're going to close this, and here in the download folder, the crab walk file is down over here. If you, but the reason you see more than one on my oops, so I mean here's the crab walk for this right here that we just did right now. The reason you see more than once on my folder here, download folder, is because I did practice before doing this video, and I'll be honest, I did mess up a couple of times, so I'm redoing the video over and over. Okay, so now that we have this, we're gonna go ahead and double click here, open the folder, And this file right here, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste it where we have all the other samples. Let me minimize it here, put this here on the side. Let me go up here where my C drive is at, right click, open a new window, side by side. Again, as you record the Arduino folder is okay in the program file 86 Arduino, double click, libraries, open it, and we're gonna put it in the Makeblock. I'm just gonna go ahead and in this case I'm gonna just do right click, copy, set that here, double click, select examples, double click, and then we're gonna paste it. Right, paste. And you're gonna go ahead and it's just gonna copy. In my case, because I already have it here, I'm just gonna do why not? I'm gonna do replace the whatever I have there with the new one. There's no different. They're the same folder. Oh yeah, and continue because what do you call this? You need permission. Do not do this for current file. Let me go and click this so it won't keep doing it over and over. Continue. Okay, so it could be down there. And we don't need this so far. I don't believe we need this anymore. Now we can go and reopen Arduino. Okay, so now the next step is to connect the robot to your computer. So go ahead and connect the wire that came with your computer, with the robot to your computer, and be sure you turn on the switch on the robot. Okay. There it goes. Let's turn on. All right. Now we're gonna go to Tools. Where is the board? Yeah, we go to Board. Be sure you selecting Arduino Mega or Mega 2560. That's the actual board that is installed in the mBot Mega, if you haven't noticed that. Mine's already selected. We're gonna go to Tools again and go to Port, and on Port we should select whichever is down here. I mean, that's the only port that I have connected right now, so that's the only one that's there. Select that. We're gonna hit verify. What it does is checking for any errors. It's a debugging. What it's doing is debugging it. Okay, just waiting. All right. It looks good. Now, the next step is uploading it. You click there, and it's gonna upload to your robot. Okay. If it gives you any errors, like communication errors, it's probably because you did not select the proper board and the proper port. Everything else, like processor, should be like a default. Should be default, because if I switch, for example, Arduino Nano, and I go back to 2C, this part changes too. So let me go back to Mega, and the processor changes to Mega. Okay. All right. Once it's done, now you just need to. You can go ahead and disconnect the robot from the computer, but still keep the switch on, and then move your hand from left to right or from right to left to turn on the robot on. Okay, and you see it walking as a crab, side by side. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. And again, don't forget to check the description for more information. Also the links where you can buy the robot and and any other robots from this company. And also there's gonna be more information about where you can follow me and how to support me, okay? Alright, thank you and have a good day guys. Bye.